You sure you're at the right party?
This is a celebration for the saints, is it not? Business with Marshall is less lucrative than it used to be. I was hoping your bosses would be interested in a new partnership.
Hello, and welcome to Marshall Defense Industries. We know it wasn't easy getting here. Your journey began with one of the most unforgiving job interviews we could devise. But you did more than just survive a few lives.
Alpha team, go!
First day on the job. Let's do this.
Newbie, catch up!
Right. Let's kick some holy shit!
Turrets, take cover!
That was Great fucking start.
Shit! Anybody left?
Me, I think.
Figures. We have to rendezvous with Bravo team or we're dead. Keep pushing forward, I'll meet you there.
Yes, ma'am! Gotta keep pushing forward. Getting a little hot out here.
Marshal units, prepare for airstrike.
Shit. That helps. Protect the lolly! Hey, you! We got a fight? Fuck.
Better hustle, newbie. Bravo team is ready to move in.
Ain't exactly taking a coffee break here.
Marshal scum!
Oh, bite me.
Newbie, you still alive?
You sound like you lost the pool.
Fall in. We'll use this APC for cover.
A rolling shield? Nice.
Nah, I'm delighted you approve. Bailey, make a hole.
Roger that.
Now let's go! Through the breach! Go, go, go! Keep it up, team. Let them have it.
Yeah, y'all fucked with the wrong multinational private military corporation.
You're gonna get it now! Get down!
Hey, this may be a weird time to ask, but do we get hazard pay?
You get a performance bonus for outstanding work, if you survive to collect it.
Got it. Just trying to understand the pay structure.
Push forward! And another one down.
Bailey, hold up! Marshal, clear the field!
Yes, ma'am.
I dare you! See me coming!
Oh,
Gunner down!
Shit! Whoa, take the turret!
I got it. I'm good with these.
Now that's not... You are damn lucky we don't have time to argue. You better shoot that turret like you shoot off your mouth. You wanted the turret? Get your ass in it. Take that turret, damn it! Fine, shoot!
Cover yourself!
Chopper, take it out before it cuts us down.
Ain't so funny when you're taking fire, huh?
Driver's hit. Bailey, you all right?
Bailey? Bailey, get your foot off the gas! Whoa! Oh, shit! Gwen? Gwen, can you hear me? Anybody? Shit. Either they're all dead or there's no signal, right? Reckon I should push on and find the Nawali myself.
Eliminate the intruder! The Nawali wants them all dead!
How did Marshall get this far?
Take them out! You're gonna get it now! Oh! Try that shit again, asshole! We're gonna have fun with these things. Don't move!
Oh, finally. End of the tunnel. Gwen? Hello, do you read me?
Newbie, you're still alive?
Yeah, I hear that a lot.
The Nawali's holed up in the saloon up ahead. Rendezvous with the rest of us and we can box him in.
In a minute. I'm gonna clear out some goons first.
I gave you an order.
It's on my way. Besides, we don't want them coming up behind us later.
Fine. But next time I give an order, the only words I want to hear are yes and ma'am. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Take them out, boys! Motherfucker! Flanking the target!
Gotta earn that performance bonus. Little C4 should take out that barricade. Ha! Couldn't do that at my last job.
Newbie, over here! Let's move. We gotta keep the Nawali hold up until Charlie team arrives. Newbie, once we hit the saloon, you flank left while the rest of us hold the center.
Flank? But I can... Yes, ma'am.
Saloon's right around this bend. Get ready and remember the plan. All right, team. Let's take it. Newbie, I told you to flank left!
No plan survives contact with the enemy.
You done fucked up! I need to reload! Trigger discipline, damn it! Damn, teammate!
Where's Charlie team? We're being overwhelmed!
Hold fast! We go down fighting.
Relax, soldiers. Charlie team is here. Sit back and let us wrap this up.
Nice timing, gang. Perimeter secure. Now get in there and flush that son of a bitch out.
What does it take for a man to be able to enjoy a quiet drink these days?
Mr. Nawali, you're coming with me.
You really think you have what it takes to bring me in?
I mean... Give it up, Nuwali! There's nowhere to hide! You're surrounded! Make it easy on yourself. What the? I can't find him.
Never mind. Get back here and regroup. We've got the bastard bottled up with nowhere to run. We know he's in the saloon. He can't stay in there forever.
What the fuck?
Thanks for the ride. I'll see you around.
We need air support now. Stand down. We don't got time for hero bullshit.
Don't worry, I got this. Gwen, we got a problem.
Hang on. The cavalry's coming.
Oh, shit. Come out with your hands up.
Not today.
Oh, fuck. Let's take them out, boys. Ugh. Hold this thing still so I can kill your guys. Gwen, hurry! I can barely get a beat on these guys.
Oh, if only someone had told you to stand the fuck down.
Go for cover! Ugh. Had enough? Kill that asshole! Get down!
You have more courage than brains.
Goddamn right I do.
You're too predictable.
Am I?
You tried. I'll give you that.
Get your hands in the air!
I caught him!